Hello students, let's do question number 5 today of exercise 2.7. So here we are given find the following divisions. First part is given 7 divided by 3 decimal 5. So to solve it, first we will remove this decimal and it will be 35 upon 10. Now we will change divide sign into multiply sign, and for that we will take the reciprocal of 35 upon 10. It will be 10 upon 35. So here 7 ones are 7 and 7 5s are 35. Then 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So we have 2 ones are 2 and upon 1, or we can write only 2. Let's see second part. So here also we will first remove the decimal. It is 2 upon 10. Now convert it into multiply and take reciprocal of this second fraction. It is 10 upon 2. Now we will cancel it. It is 18. 2 ones are 2. 2 18s are 36. Now multiply 18 with the 10. It is 180. Okay. Now see third part. It is 3 decimal 25 divided by 0 decimal 5. So first we will remove the decimal. It is 100 and keep divide sign same. First remove the decimal. So it is 5 upon 10. Now we will write multiply sign and 5 upon 10. It will be 10 upon 5. Now first cancel this 0 by 0 and 5 ones are 5. 5 6 are 30 and 5 5 are 25. So it is 65 upon 10. Now because there is 1 0 in the denominator, we will put the decimal leaving 1 digit. So it is 6.5. Now in fourth part, we have 30 decimal 94 divided by 0 decimal 7. First remove the decimal upon 100 divide by 7 upon 10. Now change divide sign into multiply sign and take the reciprocal. 0 will be cancelled by 1 0. 7 ones are 7 and we will divide it. 7 4s are 28. 2 and 9. 7 4s are 28 and this 2. So it is 442 upon 10. Put decimal. So it is 44 decimal 2. Let's see fifth part now. 0 decimal 5 divided by 0 decimal 25. So here we will remove decimal. It is 5 upon 10 divided by 25 upon 100. So change divide into multiply. Take the reciprocal. It is 100 upon 25. Cancel 0 by 0. And here 5 ones are 5. 5 5s are 25. This 5 ones are 5 and 5 2s are 10. So we have answer only 2. In sixth part, remove decimal. 775 upon 100 divide by 25 upon 100. And now we will change divide into multiply. Take reciprocal. It is 100 upon 25. Now here both zeros will be cancelled with these zeros. That means 100 will be cancelled with 100. 25 ones are 25. 25 3s are 75 and 25 ones are 25. So it will be 31. Okay, so you'll divide 775 by 25. We will get here 31. Now let's see seventh part. It is given 76.5 divided by 0.15. First we will remove decimal. It is 765 upon 10 divided by 15 upon 100. Now we will change divide into multiply and also we will take the reciprocal. It is 100 upon 15. 0 and 0 will be cancelled. Here we will divide 765 by 15. It will be 51. Now multiply this 51 with this 10. We will get 510. And same as in 8th part. We will remove the decimal. It will be 378 upon 10 divided by 14 upon 10. Now we will change divide into multiply and we will take the reciprocal of this number. It is 10 upon 14. 10 and 10 will be cancelled and divide 378 by 14. We will get 27. So answer is 27 here. In ninth part, 2.73 divided by 1.3. First remove the decimal. It is 273 upon 100 divided by 13 upon 10. Change divide into multiply and take the reciprocal. It is 10 upon 13. Here 0 and 0 will be cancelled. Divide 273 with 13. We will get here 21. So we have 21 upon 10, and right now it into the decimal. We will get the answer 2.1. So this was the solution of question number 5. I hope you all have understood this question. Let's see question number 6. Here we are given a vehicle covers a distance of 43.2 km in 2.4 liters of petrol. How much will it cover in 1 liters of petrol? So very simple question it is. First we will write here distance covered in 2.4 liters of petrol, that is 43.2 km. And now to find how much distance will be covered in 1 liter of petrol, we will divide 43.2 by 2.4. So for that, remove the decimal first. It will be 432 upon 10 divided by 24 upon 10, which is equal to 432 upon 10. Change divide into multiply and take reciprocal. It is 10 upon 24. 10 and 10 will be cancelled. When we divide 432 by 24, it is 18 km. Therefore, the vehicle will cover 18 km in 1 liters of petrol. So, to find distance covered in 1 liter, we will divide here this 43.2 km by 2.4 liter. Okay, so answer is 18 km. So this was the solution of question number 6.